Good morning, guys. As you can see, it's just me and my big old cup of tea. Bars. The girls are at school, and my husband just left for his business trip. And I'm a little sad. I don't know why, but he's gone on business trips before over the years. But this morning I feel away. The house is also a mess. Dishes everywhere. The girls left their mess in the kitchen. But instead of immediately going to start cleaning, I'm gonna go and have my coffee, not my coffee, my tea, and kind of get it together. Because I got a lot of work to do. And gotta get my mind right. Am I a simp? Am I a simp? Or a wimp? Or weak because I'm gonna miss my husband? I'm a big girl, you know? I'm an adult. I know how to take care of myself and my kids. But I'm gonna miss him. He's gonna be gone for a week. My girls are really gonna miss him. They're really gonna, yeah. Whenever he goes away for business trips, they're always like, when is he coming back? I miss him. I miss Daddy. So maybe that's why I'm sad, because I'm sad for them. Anyway, the house has been decorated for, fully decorated for at least a week and a half. So now it's time to shift gears towards cleaning. And I thought I was gonna start with the kitchen because it's one of the dirtiest places in the house, right? Because we use it a lot. But I think I'm gonna start in my bedroom because I wanna make my bed. And if I make my bed, I'll be less likely to climb back into it. So I'm gonna finish this tea and then we'll get to it. But I'm blessed. Didn't know it'd take me past my destiny. You're behind me with the rest, 'cause I'm a mess. No more you,
and I go home. You said things could only get better. I needed more than ever. They don't go. How can I believe you when everything you see see-through, see-through. Everything is see-through, see-through. Everything is see-through, see-through. Everything is see-through. How can I believe it? But everything is see-through, see-through. You see through. Gotta make space for the new you, like I'm old news in your review mirror. It must be nice, you went and got a penthouse, all your friends partying, it's real loud. Brand new money with a brand new chest, still a baby bird price straight off the nest like you. Could only get better. I need it more than ever. They go on,
disgusting. But now it's clean. Whew. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out with me while I got this bedroom together. I figured since my husband will be out of town for his business trip that I take advantage of it and clean this room from top to bottom. Anyway, that's gonna be it for me today. In the next video, I'm gonna tackle the bathroom suite. So I got 2 closets and the actual bathroom. I couldn't do it all in one video because it's just too big of a master bedroom to do all of it in one video or in one time. So I'll do the bathroom suite in part 2 of this master bedroom clean with me. All right guys, that's all for now. See you in the next one. Bye.